The LH19 polisher has been created by Rupes to have a lightweight and compact tool with all the power needed for any polishing job. With its low weight of just over 2 kilos, the small size make it manoeuvrable and convenient to use. The LH19 has high torque. It is able to work under high pressure and low speeds thanks to the state-of-the-art electronics and its double gear reduction. The LH19 can be used with 3 different handles: the traditional side handle, directly on the head of the machine, or with the D handle. All allow perfect control of the tool. The tool has a 9 metre long cable which gives the user the possibility to work the whole length of the car without the need for extension leads or to change the socket. The LH19 can be used with different backing pads, 125, 150 and 165mm. The larger the diameter, the faster the defect removal, however the finish will not be as good. Replacing the backing plate is simple and fast and does not require a specific tool. The rotational speed of the plate can be adjusted by both the speed selector on the top of the grip or with the progressive trigger. The more the trigger is pulled, the faster the polisher rotates. The LH19 can be used with different pads and compounds. Wool for a very fast defect removal, foam pads in 3 different grades, blue, yellow and white, to achieve a better and better finished result. The improvement in appearance is remarkable. The scratches and defects have disappeared in quick time. The colour of the paint is renewed, gaining more depth and brilliance. The polisher is equipped with 2 rubber bumper strips in the upper body, so it can be placed on a surface without causing any damage. There is a wide range of consumables and accessories for the LH19, perfect for every requirement. Rupes are waiting to welcome you in the next video.